Hi. Some time ago I received this little PLA replacement for my SixtyClone, and the pins were broken, so I asked for a replacement without the chips in a kit form. And basically this is the replacement. It's not the greatest solder work, but it works. It works. Yeah. The one I received first with the broken pin. Is in this bag. Let's see. This one here. There's a little pin that's broken off, and the other one are bent. And the seller, he said that he was sorry, and if he could send a complete one. I said no, thank you. Just send a kit and I'll solder it myself. That way this would not happen again. So basically I have to swap the chips. I'm using this little tool. It's just a screwdriver. Let's see. Steady now. Just the way I do it is up, not touching the pins, but barely, and then twist the screwdriver. Just, and when it's like this, I hold my finger down, otherwise that end will pop down. That's chip number one. The second, I have no idea. Let's see. I think it looks correct. Yep. Perfect. Let's see. Nope. Nope. No pins. Twist, 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 twist. And now it pops up. One pin is slightly out of. Hope this will work. We'll start with this end here, and that side, and I think they are in the spring. Yeah, they are inside the spring leaves, or what it's called. I don't know. And the notch are perfect there. Let's just, oh, yeah. The notch. Yeah. So basically, I have a new PLA. Oh. Oh, this is nice. I did measure it with continuity, and every soldering turned out. There's a small one down there. It's not that good, but it makes contact all the way through, from the sockets to the pins. So this is nice. So, yeah. Gonna put it. Nope. I'm gonna choose another piece. This one is more firm. This one is just too saggy. I think that's why it broke. It's just too soft. This one is more stiff, more solid, more, I don't know what it's called. It's more dense. So yeah, that's my new PLA for my 60Clone. Nice. Oh, scheiße. There are small holes. Do I have another bag? Yep. I have another bag. It's a big one. It's a big bag. Well, that's about it. Thank you for watching, and sorry about my bad English. Bye.